Hello everyone, and welcome to Delft Stack. If TikTok is restricting your account with a tapping too fast error message, it means the application has temporarily flagged your rapid interactions as potential spam. I will show you exactly how to report and appeal this restriction directly through your account settings. Let's get started. First, we need to access the main support hub within the application. Open TikTok on your iPhone or Android device and tap on your profile icon located at the bottom right corner of the screen. Next, tap the three-line menu icon at the top right corner and select Settings and Privacy from the pop-up menu that appears at the bottom. Next, you must locate the specific troubleshooting section designed for engagement errors. Scroll down your settings page until you find the Report a Problem option and tap on it. From the list of available support topics, tap on Likes, and finally select the specific Tapping Too Fast error category from the menu. Finally, if TikTok's default automated advice does not immediately lift the restriction, you need to escalate the issue directly to their human support team. Tap No under the resolution prompt and then select Need More Help. State clearly in the text box that you are a real user experiencing a false restriction. Attach a screenshot of the error message if you have one, and tap Submit to officially send your appeal. I hope you found this guide helpful. Please like, share, and subscribe for more technical tutorials. Thanks for watching.